everyone. It is Sunday. I have tried to pick up this camera to get a full day's vlog and just have not been able to do it for some reason. But we had a date night the other night, and I'm going to insert a little clip here. We had pizza, and Ronnie finally got to watch the Jurassic Park, the second movie. So we have one more to go on Netflix, and he'll be all caught up. Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. We are getting ready for church. I just made breakfast while we had coffee, and then I went downstairs and I made breakfast. Go ahead and get ready, and when I get home from church I am going to make some pork chops and gravy and mashed potatoes, and some probably broccoli and carrots. Just, you know, Sunday is not Sunday without a Sunday meal. We are about to head out to church, and I'm trying not to get shadow in this. Just wearing a blazer, black skirt. You guys will see my outfit on Sundays on my Instagram page. So I'm gonna go brush my teeth and head out the door. At church. Hello everyone, I just made it home from church. It was really good. Ronnie did an excellent job in singing. He always does. They had a great turnout. It was drizzling a little bit, rain on the way out of church today, but we walked home anyhow, and I had my umbrella with me, so we lucked out on that. But anyhow, just was a real good service. It was nice to see friends, and so I am home. So I just turned the air on a little bit, got me something to drink. I'm just gonna sit here and just have a little chill, take a few minutes, and then I'm gonna set my camera up on a tripod and quickly film, because it's kind of a win-win to film on Sunday because I already have my face makeup done. I'm pretty nicely dressed, I guess. However, I am gonna change this shirt, I think. But anyways, that's that. You know, it's just easier. I'm gonna be sitting in this chair anyways, just trying to collect myself from the walk. I walked all the way from church across the main road to my house wearing 6-inch heels. So yes. I'm home now. Gonna take a little break, and I'll check in a little bit. Dinner is ready. We got our gratin potatoes, and the reason why it looks that way is because I added a lot of extra cheese. We got the pork chops with the mushroom gravy.
And I'm telling you what, guys, this is so good.
He really enjoys this meal. Well, this is a good after church dinner.